Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about saving. So I don't want to pay regular price. I want to pay the sale price or the cheapest price that I can find. So that's what this channel is all about. And I'm into electronics, technology, tools, stuff like that. Sometimes on and off I do a review of a product, or sometimes I do an installation of a product, or sometimes I just do maintenance on my car. However, mainly on this channel is all about saving the audience, which is you guys, money, and that's what it is. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you this smartphone, which is unlocked, and it's really affordable. I know there's a lot of phones out there that's like the flagship one. You're paying thousands of dollars, right? But there's going to be a group of people that just want like a second phone, or like when their main phone died or breaks, they have another phone on standby, which is this Motorola one. Its regular price for this phone is $210, and right now you can get it for $129. Lowest price in 30 days, so that is 38%. And what the title says, Moto G 2021 model, last year, and the battery will last 3 days, and it is unlocked. It's made for the US, and it has 64 gigabyte and 48 megapixel camera. And let's take a look at some of the pictures here. There we go. All right, and you can see the review here, 507 ratings, 4.5 out of 5, which is not bad. We can go down and read more about the phone. Here, carrier compatibility, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and Tracfone, and so on. I used to, I bought like a phone from HSN, I think for like maybe $80-90. It's Samsung's A51. That one, it comes, I think, with 1500 minutes and 1.5 gigabyte or something. The data, it's over, but they do not unlock it after you have to complete the 1 year, and it's a lot of hassle going through it. And this one, you're just paying straight up $129, I think, which is really good. And here it says here it has a 2020 Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. Let's see what else. Water repellent design, keep your phone safe from accident, spill, and splash. Let's see what else. There's many other phones out there, and you can hear with Amazon's, they have like bundles up with the screen protector and with the case, so you can get all of this all together for a total of $156.34. Here, more pictures of it. 3 days battery, which is good. I have the iPhone 13, the regular ones, and I usually by the end of the day have about 20% or 30% left. And look at the screen size, really good, 6.6. Yeah, this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and it is unlocked for all carriers: AT&T, Sprint. Sprint's been bought up by T-Mobile, Verizon, Cricket, Metro, and Google Wi-Fi. Google Fi, there you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this short video for the most affordable backup phone or smartphone, however you want to call it, but only $129. If you guys like the savings, like the videos, feel free to give a like, and please, you guys can support the channel by subscribing. That's gonna help me out a lot. And at the same time, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so with the links that I posted on there under the description sections, if you guys buy it through the link, I get a short amount of kickbacks on it, and that's gonna help the channel grow. And once again, thank you for the support. It's Veterans Day, so I wish everybody a happy holiday, be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.